Welcome back. You are watching CNN News 18. Now, the sugarcane farmers' agitation in Belagavi and nearby areas has escalated, with protesters enforcing a complete shutdown, demanding Rs 3,500 per ton as minimum support price. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah blamed the union government for the crisis, saying it was playing with the lives of the farmers. He urged the farmers to stay calm and announced meetings with the sugar factory owners tomorrow, followed by talks with the farmers. Siddaramaiah said he will write to the Prime Minister seeking time to discuss their demands. The Karnataka BJP, meanwhile, has accused the Congress government of neglecting farmers and favouring sugar mill owners. Farmers continue to reject the 3,200 per ton price offered from mills, insisting on 3,500 per ton. And we are joined by Afreen Hussain on this broadcast. Afreen, if you could walk us through the whole story.
Now, sugarcane farmers in Belagavi and North Karnataka have been protesting, demanding that 3,500 rupees per ton of sugarcane is provided to them. And the Karnataka government, several ministers have visited this protest site and have, assured the farmers that they will do whatever they can. But ultimately, it is in the hands of the central government to fix the prices of the sugar canes. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah yesterday after the cabinet meeting here in Karnataka also said that, he's going to meet with the sugar factory owners today, and he's also seeked the urgent intervention of Prime Minister Modi in this ongoing crisis in North Karnataka regarding the sugarcane farmers. He's written a letter to Prime Minister Modi asking him to intervene and fix 3,500 rupees per ton of sugarcane for these farmers who are protesting in North Karnataka.
Right, Afreen. Afreen, I would request you to stay on with us as we listen to some political reactions.
ಅವರು FRP ನಿಗದಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ರೈತರ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ರೈತರು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವ್ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಅವರು ಒಪ್ಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ರೈತರು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋರು ನಿಗದಿ,
ಅವರು ನಿಗದಿ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅವರಲ್ವಾ?
FRP
ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ. ತೂಕ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಬೆಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಕಟಾವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೆ ಎಳೆಯುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅತಿವೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಬ್ಬು ಬೆಳೆಗಾರರ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ರೈತ ವಿರೋಧಿ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಅಕ್ಷಮ್ಯ ಅಪರಾಧ ಅನ್ನುವ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ ಔತಣಕೂಟವನ್ನ ಕರೆಯುವಂತದ್ದು, ಸಚಿವರುಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮರೆತು ಬರೀ ಔತಣಕೂಟದಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಳುಗೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಆಡಳಿತದ ಯಂತ್ರ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಕುಸಿದು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವತಃ ಗೃಹ ಸಚಿವರು, ಗೃಹ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ್ ಅವರು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
All the doctors from Harugiri on behalf of Indian Medical Association have gathered in Gurlapur Cross to support the agriculturist protest. The protest is going on from last 7 days in support of the sugarcane bill. From last 5 years, the sugarcane bill is fixed at around 3,000 rupees. We have been asking the sugarcane bill to be increased to 3,500 rupees per ton. All the sugar factories which are there in Karnataka, there are around 70 sugar factories. Out of that, 24 sugar factories are there in Belgaum. So the sugarcane growing has been extremely difficult these days because of the diseases and lot of other problems.
Breaking news coming in amid sugarcane farmers' protests. Karnataka minister's convoy attacked. Tensions flared at the sugarcane farmers' protest site in Belagavi district's Gurlapur area as angry protesters hurled slippers and bottles at the car of Karnataka Sugar and Sugarcane Minister Shivanand Patil while he was leaving the venue. The minister had visited the protest site earlier in the day and sought 2 days' time to address the farmers' demands. So that is a major update that we are getting from Karnataka, and let me go across to Afreen for this. Afreen, that is a major update. How do you see this?
Well, you should remember that this protest has been going on for 10 days now in Belagavi, and the farmers have been relentlessly protesting, asking the ministers and the Karnataka government to, ensure that they're given the 3,500 rupees per ton of sugarcane price that they have quoted and demanded. And when Karnataka Sugar Minister Shivanand Patil's convoy was leaving this particular protest site, he had earlier gone to meet them. Enraged farmers are seen allegedly throwing slippers and also hurling water bottles at his convoy, enraged that there's no resolution to their problems or the issues that they've been raising for the past 10 days. Now we have to remember that the Karnataka Chief Minister has said that he's going to meet Prime Minister Modi if time is permitted, and he's going to discuss and make sure that the farmers who are protesting are given 3,500 rupees per ton of sugarcane that they've been quoting. And remember that the Karnataka government has been saying that it's in the hands of the center and not the state government to fix the FRP. And, whatever it is, the center has to now intervene and make sure that the farmers' issue is resolved.
Right, Afreen. Afreen, clearly we can see that the people are really agitated, and they're blaming the state government too because they're throwing slippers and bottles. But do also tell us, shed some light on this fact that who really decides the price of sugar canes?
Well, from what the state government has been saying, the FRP, the fair and remunerative price, is set by the center, and that's the reason why the sugar minister has also earlier told that if the center intervenes and sets a price that the farmers are demanding, then the state government will 100% try to get the farmers whatever price that they have quoted, that's why the state government has been shifting the responsibility to the center and asking them to intervene now.
Right, Afreen. Afreen, what are the farmers demanding now? And do tell our viewers that there are some unions involved, farmers union also involved in this protest?
Right. The farmers' demand is simple, that they be given 3,500 rupees per ton of sugarcane. Now, they've quoted the price that, Maharashtra farmers get. They get around 3,500 per ton, and that's the same demand that even the Karnataka farmers are keeping. But however, Karnataka ministers have said that, the recovery is low when it comes to, when you consider factors like soil and the other things, the recovery is low in Karnataka, and that's the reason why but otherwise in Maharashtra, the recovery is high. So that's the reason why they get so much. But anyways, Karnataka ministers are saying that they'll ensure that the farmers' demand of 3,500 rupees per ton of sugarcane is, delivered to them.
Right, Afreen. Afreen, as we know that Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has said that he'll meet Prime Minister Modi. Now, how has the BJP reacted to this? Is he blaming the whole thing on the central government here?
Well, the BJP has been the, first to reach the protest site when the farmers started protesting in northern Karnataka, and they've been saying that the state government is neglecting the farmers, and they're not taking any issues to, resolve their concerns. Whereas on the other hand, the Karnataka government has made it very, very clear that it's in the hands of the center, and, the BJP leaders who are at the protest site, they're exploiting the farmers for the sake of political gains, and instead of doing so, they should go and speak with the center and make sure that they get what the farmers are demanding for.
Right, Afreen. Many thanks, Afreen, for gathering all that. Now.